CDC says 2 more deaths and dozens of infections are linked to contaminated eye drops. It brings the total deaths connected to these recall drops to 3. CDC officials are urging people to stop using 2 kinds of eye drops, both manufactured by Global Pharma Healthcare, which is based in India. At least 8 patients also reported vision loss connected to a drug-resistant bacteria found in some containers of these drops. Correspondent Sloan Glass is live in New York. Sloan, this federal investigation just keeps expanding.
Keeps continuing, Nicole, and this is an alarming update related to the contaminated eye drop recall. The death toll has risen. 3 people have died. 8 have gone blind. 4 others have had to have an eyeball surgically removed. Nicole, we look into how something like this can be prevented in the future.
U.S. distributors Delsum Pharma and EzriCare facing multiple lawsuits, including 2 federal class action suits. Attorney Ryan Yaffa says his client, Clara Oliva, lost her right eye and is now legally blind after a bacterial infection caused by EzriCare artificial tears.
She cannot pick up her grandchildren from school as she always normally did. And as a result, at this time of life when she's retired and should be enjoying herself, she's now having to relearn basic tasks.
Former FDA Associate Commissioner Peter Pitts says many of the companies making regulated products like eye drops don't take quality seriously.
I think the supply chain issue is crucial. And shame on us if we wait for deaths or blindness. We need to be much more proactive to prevent these problems from happening before they reach our shores.
So what's the solution?
I think the solution is friend-shoring. Looking for friendlier nations who we trust, who have higher regards for integrity and quality, and doing business with them.
The announcement from the CDC follows a recall last month of drops manufactured by India-based Global Pharma linked to an outbreak of drug-resistant infections. The CDC estimates 68 patients across 16 states have been infected with P. aeruginosa.
These eye drops introduced into the U.S. a bacteria that we've never seen before, and we'll be able to solve it. That's what scientists do. But also points to the dangers of what happens when you bring in essential medical products from overseas.